Hello friends, today we are going to learn about 3D shapes and going to color them as well. Woo! It's going to be so much fun. Here we have pyramid. It's a three-dimensional shape. It has a flat base and all its faces are triangle shape. Next we have is sphere. It's a round solid shape with no edges, and we can use it to play as a ball, and so many examples we can see around. Here we have another pyramid. Wow, and it's red color and it can be of different shapes and size. And here we have a cylinder shape, yes, and it resembles like a drum. And it can slide, roll, and it has two flat circles, and they are always the same size and shape. And next three-dimensional shape we have is a cube, and it's made of 6 squares with all faces equal in size. And here we have a three-dimensional shape called cone, and it resembles with a cone ice cream. Yum! And it also resembles with happy birthday cap, which we usually wear on the parties. And next shape we have is a cuboid, and it has 6 faces and 12 corners. Yay! I have so many 3D shapes to paint with my friends, and it's going to be so much fun. Let's use these colors and paint them. Friends, painting is so much fun. I love painting. How about you? And I have this material named thermopole, and I'm excited to see how these colors are going to look on this material. And here we are ready to paint. Let's start with this cuboid. I'm going to do purple on it. Let's start. Wow, I can feel the brush on it. It's so groovy, and the surface is not smooth, so it's like absorbing all the water. Friends, we have actually a lot of examples around us, so let's find out if you can find a cuboid around you. Yes? Let me find around myself. I can see a tissue box around me. And here I'm almost done. I'm just filling up the white spaces. Wow, it's so shiny and so cool. I can't wait to try it out and look at it. Time to start with this new 3D shape, and it's a cylinder. I'm going to use green on it. Friends, I think time to look out around you and find if you see any cylinder in the shape of any object. Oh, I found these candles and they look exactly like a cylinder which I'm painting. Ooh, I'm so excited. I just found a soda can in my fridge and it resembles same like a cylinder. Can you believe it? There are so many examples of cylinder around us, friends. Here I'm almost done and filling up the white spaces. Let's paint this triangular prism. Let's paint it with orange color. In this 3D shape, we have a base made of a rectangle, right? 2 long sides and 2 short sides, and all faces are triangle. Friends, let's hunt for any triangular prism around us. Let's go! And I got a cheese, a slice of cheese, exactly like this 3D shape. Ooh, I'm so excited. Have you found any? And I'm almost done. Now I'm going to paint this pentagonal prism. Let's do yellow on it. Painting is so much fun. This 3D shape is made up of 2 sides of pentagon from top and bottom, and the sides are made of rectangle. Can you see it, friends? and I'm almost on the last side of this shape. So satisfying to paint, so fun. Try this out, friends, and wow, it's done. Now we will paint this 3D shape. Its name is sphere. Yes, you're right. Let's do it. Let's paint this one with blue color. And I'm going to paint the sides first. Top and bottom shape has oval surfaces. An oval shape resembles with an object called, make a guess. It is more similar to an egg. Now I'm going to paint this beautiful cube which has all sides same like a square, and I'm going to pick this deep red for it. Yay, so excited. Wow, it's so dark and so shiny. It's looking beautiful already. Friends, do you see any object around yourself? Oh, I just found a gift box. And now I'm done with the painting, almost all. Just filling up all the whites. Pyramid, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cube, and pentagonal prism. Yay! We are done with the painting. It was so much fun and satisfying to paint these shapes. Now I think, my friends, we know almost all the 3D shape. Wow, they're looking all so beautiful. And friends, thank you for watching this video with me.